This is SVOD Project 3. I just purchased this from online. This is for flashing KBC. It's like a SMC on a laptop. Just a quick unboxing to show you what kind of a machine this is. It's all got plastic housing, but it does feel very good. Feels good, feels solid. It's got its own mini stand, which you can put on your desk, which is really great. And these seem to be the attachments for it. So these are all the flexes. I don't want to mix them up just yet. So, and this is the interface where you can connect these keyboard connectors. Looks like it's got external power for that. Nice, very nice. And a USB cable. Yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, so once I get to play around with this, I'll make another video, show you how it works.